What are you looking at a picture of?
Baby brother.
Yeah. What do you want to do with baby brother when he's born?
Play toy.
What kind of toys do you want to play with him?
Baby.
Oh, can you be very careful with those, please? Can you show me on that picture where baby brother's toes are?
Yeah.
Right here. Where are baby brother's toes?
Right here.
That's right. Where's baby's brother's face and his nose?
Right here.
Yeah. You see his hand?
Where was that?
That's just the top of the picture. Are you going to be a big helper with baby brother?
Yeah.
What do you want to help me with?
Put powder on him, but put it on him.
Powder and lotion. What about his socks? Do you think his socks are going to fall off a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he tied up.
He's going to cry a lot. Is he going to cry at nighttime too?
Yeah. Baby brother, chill with that wrap.
That's right. He might wake Louise up. But does Louisa get out of her bed if she wakes up?
Yeah.
No. What else are you excited about with baby brother?
A big toy with you.
Yeah. You know what? Maybe we should go buy a special toy that you can give baby brother. You like that idea?
Yeah.
Buy him his own toy from Louisa?
I want to.
What do you think?
It's good.
Yeah? Here, you gotta go back this way, then I'll show you after we're done. Come back this way. You want to sit on your stool there? Let's think about it. What type of toy would you like to get him?
What's it toy?
A what kind?
Pretty toy.
A special toy. What type of toy? You think he would like? A train or a stuffed animal? What would you like to get him?
A train.
A train? Yeah. Where is baby brother?
And baby and daddy.
He's in your belly?
No, and my daddy.
The mommy's belly. Right. Are you ready for him to come out so you can meet him? Can you be careful with those, please? Please don't step on him. That's not nice. You're gonna hurt baby brother. Don't do that. Hang on to those. Show the camera.
Look, Emma.
Who is it? No, you can't come around this way. Okay, sit back on your stool and I'll show you. Okay, you need to say bye to baby brother.
Bye, 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 baby brother. Bye.
Bye, Louisa.
Bye.
What's your full name?
And one name.
Monet Boehner? No, what's your full name?
And one name.
No.
Oh, name.
That's Monet's whole name. What's Louisa's full name?
Rachel.
Louisa, what's your middle name?
And one name.
No. Louisa what? There it is. That's who you are. Okay, give me a big smile. Silly. Okay.